Hey, this is Paul checking in with you, and I wanted to give you a first exclusive look at a studio apartment. It's like a condo style, but yet you would be in an HDB. So the best thing about this unit is also that you get a covered linkway to Clementi MRT. So it's equidistant from both exits. You get the new exit C, or of course there's exit A and B on the usual side. Okay, and Clementi is a fantastic neighborhood. I've always had a lot of tenants who will be studying like in NUS, PhD students, or they are lecturers in this area. In terms of the connectivity, like I said, you are just a few minutes away, sheltered linkway to the MRT, and you're well served by buses as well. And in Clementi, you have no lack of 24-hour like supermarkets and eating places. So this is just a very small neighborhood, very cozy one, but yet very well connected. Okay, so today I'm showing you this studio apartment style, as you can see. Okay, so you enjoy your own privacy. Okay, you're gonna have your own washing machine, you're gonna have your own kitchenette, your fridge. You don't need to share anything. So this is in your own cozy studio apartment. Okay, so I'll start with the living room as we come in. So this will be the living room. Okay, and yeah, I bought new furniture for you as well. So you can see that this is like a brand new office chair. Okay, and just wanted to show you a quick view. So this is like on the high floor, so it's very nice. You can see once I open the windows, you can see clear blue skies and the trees on your eye level, so very comfortable. So which is why we place a work area here so they can face the greenery. So when you like, of course, right now is with aircon. If you want to ventilate, if you want to look at the skyline and the trees, then just feel free to open the windows, because it's a nice breeze. It's a north-south facing unit. Okay, and you don't get to see any neighbors. Okay, so just to show you, this on the floor is actually a new mattress. Okay, that I've bought as well. So you can, so that's why I wanted to keep it as it is, so that you get to open up your own mattress. Okay, and you get that brand new chair as well. So if you like, you can stack it up on top of the existing mattress. Nothing wrong with the existing mattress, but I thought that, hey, might as well give a new one as well, okay, just to welcome you into the house. So you can see that you have everything that you need here. So this will be a 3-door wardrobe. Okay, and then you get your own fridge. So I mean, of course, you can furnish your own place, so that's why there's a lot of empty space. You can feel free to move things around. So probably you might want to put some shelving over here. Okay, and you get your own kitchenette. Okay, and this would be the view outside. As you can see, you enjoy both unblocked views from both sides, so it makes it very comfortable. Okay, it's always very breezy here. We're on a high floor. Okay, so just to show you, so this is just a simple bathroom. Okay, everything has been upgraded, renovated. Okay, yeah, so just to let you have a first look. Okay, so this will be up for rent. Okay, and I'll post this up shortly. Alright, so contact me. I'll hope to hear from you. See you soon.